Welcome to London, motherfucker. Welcome to Walmart. My Saturday night. Woo! Well, hi guys, thanks for clicking on me. Today or tonight, I'm gonna take you with me to Walmart and I'm gonna show you all of my little hidden gems that I get at Walmart. And maybe we'll see some Walmart, you know, those crazy people that go viral. But I wanted to come today because hopefully it won't be that packed. I don't know how many people get dressed up to come and shop at Walmart. So let's see what we can find. Let's go. My look is inspired by Walmart. I just want to say I'm the blue light special. If we get in trouble for filming, just tell them that we Ubered here and we can't put the camera in the car, okay? Is that a good line? I can't lie, so you have to do it.
And I'm gonna tell him,
Can you see me? My first item. See, now I'm starting to feel bad because I'm going to tell you guys all my little gems and then they're going to be like sold. It's not going to be on the shelf when I come in. It's over here. My first item is a dupe for St. Ives face scrub. So we all know the St. Ives face scrub. That's awesome. It's bomb. I love using this in the shower on my back, on my elbows, and my knees. There's a dupe for it directly and it's right next to it. The shade Walmart. And look, it's half the price. This one by Equate, it's the same exact thing. You know, sometimes you get a dupe and there's not as many, there's like 2 little scrubbers in there. There's like, you know, it's the same grittiness, the same amount of scrubbies. So this is awesome. I go through these like crazy and I love it. And they look like they're fully stocked, so if you guys buy them all, then I'm good. I actually have this in my shower right now. Actually, Shower London, do you copy? Hi Shopping London, how are you? Hey!
Great. Excited to be here.
Are you in the shower with your clothes on? Let's go to my next little gem. Yeah, so let me explain. We're in the men's section. This is my favorite place to get t-shirts, and I actually put one on today. This is one that I bought at Walmart and I cut up because I'm a professional. But I love coming into the men's section for t-shirts. They've got every color you can imagine. They're great quality. They're fruit of the loom, and they're less than $5 each. This color. But yeah, they're great and they're soft. Oh, and they're tagless for $5. Okay, my next item. Follow me. So my next item is a bomb candle. Okay, usually the candles are over like in the home section, but these candles are hidden over like in the section. All the Febrezicals, the plugins, all the scents. What are these? The air fresheners. Air fresheners. So these are the candles down here. The scent that I usually get, they're always out of stock of. And now that I tell you people, it's going to be out of stock even more. But sometimes you can call Walmart and have them put them aside for you, and you can buy it online or order over the phone and you can pick it up. But these are awesome. These are the same size as the ones at Bed Bath & Beyond, and they smell amazing. And the best part is these are under $5 each. Bed Bath & Beyond has these like 2 for $20 or something. So for $20 you can get 4 of these, and they're amazing. Oh, and just a little tip is that the wicks are really long, and if I learned a trick, if you cut them, it makes the candle last longer. Because the longer your wick is, the bigger the flame is, and it'll burn faster. So just get some little scissors up in there, a little fingernail clipper, and cut them out, and you'll thank me. My next item is a really soft bra. These are called little cami bras, but they're just a really soft, super comfortable bra. I love wearing these. I can sleep in these. I have enough support. There's padding in here, so nothing comes poking through. I actually have this on right now because I'm a professional and I plan. But I love these also for wearing when I cut up my shirt from here from Walmart as well. Then I get these little camis, and they're great. They don't cut into you or anything, and they're super cute and comfortable. And I washed mine over and over again, and they hold up pretty well. So there's also strapless ones that I just figured out. Oh, and the best part is they're also under $5, so you can get a candle and a cami. And a quick thing. Next item. Item are little boy shorts. These are so cute. They're super comfortable. They're tagless. They have a bunch of cute, fun prints and patterns, or if you want to do lace. And they're only $3. So I'm out of here, guys. I'm done. I got my little purchases here. Sorry, I keep seeing people. Go away. So that's all for my video. Let me know what are your favorite things from Walmart so I can go check out. And I have a bunch of like health things and food things and things that I love to buy as well, different categories. I'm gonna end this disaster of a video. I'm getting hit by sprinklers. Oh my god. Oh, now car's coming. My anxiety and awkwardness is through the roof. Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.